This is your second magazine today. We just started training. This is your first class. Ready? Count 1, 2, 3. When you're ready.
Good.
Shooting a Beretta 92 FS. Check your world. Decock. Safety off. Come back to count 2. Holster up.
Good.
One more time. Ready? Count 1, 2, 3. Come down to the ready. Check your world. Count 2. Pause. Holster up. Let me just show your shots.
Good shooting. Yeah.
What, is he?
That's great shooting, Maria.
The shots are right in your group over there. Ready? Fire! There you go. That's it.
Going in without the count.
Ready? Fire! Good shot. On your own. Do it again. Ready? Fire. Great shooting. Keep it up. Check your world. Okay. Keep doing it. Ready? Fire. Focus on that front side. Yes.
Controlled pair using trigger reset. Go. Tap it back. Find that reset. Nice. Nice.
Ready? Fire. It's okay, you're just a little to the right on that second shot. Don't worry about it. Let's do it again. Ready? Fire. Just concentrate on that front sight. Straight back on the trigger. There you go. Good. On your own. After that. Good. Just keep doing it.
Balance between speed and accuracy now, okay? So find that balance. I don't want you to go too fast to miss. Ready? Go. Front side, trigger reset. Nice. One more time. Ready? Go. Nice. Nice. Dead center on these two.
Good shooting.
Check your worlds. Decock. Safety off. One more time. Ready? Go.
Whoa.
Nice. Nice.
Great
Beautiful.
shooting.
Great shooting.
Oh.
Let's see.
Ah.
Okay, present to the ready, go. Load up.
Ready? Fire!
Keep moving, keep moving.
Move back. Good.
Come down to the ready.
Down to the right, check your wall.
Check your world.
Decop. Back in the holster. Just back up a little further.
Back up a little bit.
Okay, same thing moving forward. Right when you go fire, you're coming out and you're starting to go forward. Ready? Fire!
Keep moving, keep moving. Front side, front side.
Yes! Good shooting. After actions.
Check your world.
Good job. Let's do it again. Now moving backwards.
Hang on, hang on.
I think it's easier going more.
Some people it's
There.
weird because some people it's
Fire. Focus on that front side. Pull that trigger back. Nice. Come down to the ready, check the world. Peacock, safety off. Nice.
Ah,
All in, right?
border.
It's still in the heart. Right on the line. Ready, 10 yards. One more time. Go. Yeah, nice. Heart. Beautiful. Yes. Check your world. Come back to count 2, pause. Holster up. Nice. Let's make that adjustment. That trigger pull goes where? Straight back, right?
Right.
One molecule at a time. Hard focus on the front side. Go. Focus. Nice.
No,
Check your world.
I'm out in here.
Put it back in your. It's okay. You're out. Put it. Holster up. You're completely out. Let's go see what happened here. Look at that. Great adjustment. Your last 2 were over here. You're all in now. Beautiful job. Great work.
Thank you.